So before starting my video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon for more videos like this. Anyways, let's get started. Hey everyone, Siddhant here, and today I'm going to show you guys the unboxing of the newly launched Mi Band 3 and give you guys the first impression and the setup of the Mi Band 3. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So as you guys can see, this is the band itself. I have ordered it from Amazon, and let's first unbox it, then we will do the setup of this band. So let me just peel off this plastic. So as you guys can see, this is the band itself. I have ordered it from Amazon, and the Best Buy link will be down in the description. So if you are buying it, do use my link, as it helps the channel out and it won't cost you anything extra. So as you guys can see, this is the band itself, and the pricing quoted here is 2,200 rupees, but you can get it for 1,999 on Amazon.in. So again, the links will be down in the description. Just peel it off, and the packaging is really good, as you guys can see. You can just peel this thing off, and you can see this is the band itself. So this is the band itself, as you guys can see here, and it also has this heart rate tracker. So yeah, let's keep it to the side and see what else comes inside the box. So we get the band itself. Now this seems to be improved. Earlier in the Mi Band HRX edition, the band area was really loose, so the capsule will come out really easily out of the band. So they have improved this time, and we also get this charging cradle, so you can just put it in any adapter and you can charge your Mi Band 3. So yeah, that's that. So let's keep everything to the side and see the band. So as you guys can see, this is the band. Let me have a focus here. So yeah, as you guys can see, this is the band. Let me just remove this plastic. This is the dummy display. So as you guys can see, this is the band itself. So let's turn it on. Hopefully it has some battery. Okay, so it don't have any battery. Let me charge this thing and we will come back whenever it's charged. So as you guys can see, my band didn't have any battery, so I am charging this. So as you guys can see, it is saying charging. So I will keep it on charge. By that time, you guys can download the app. So the Mi Fit app, you can download it from Play Store. I will leave the link in the description. So this is the official Xiaomi app, so you can just download it from Play Store, and you can create an account, and I will continue the video whenever the band is charged. So yeah, so as you guys can see, I have charged my device, and it is saying me to pair with the Mi Fit app. So what I will do, I will use my smartphone and download the Mi Fit app, which I told you guys to download earlier. So just create an account there. So it will just sign in with your Google or your Facebook. It's really simple. Then once you have done that, just click on this add device and then band. Now what this will ask is, it will ask you to collect the following data from the band. So as you guys can see, it's searching for the band, and make sure that the Bluetooth is on. And as you guys can see, you can just tap the button, and as you guys can see, it just vibrated and it connected successfully, and boom, we are paired with the app. So just give it a second or two, and it will pair it with your smartphone, and it will just give you basic instruction on how to use the band. So it's a touch screen, so it's a new experience. So once you've done that, just go back here. You can just back off from here, and as you guys can see, this is the interface of the app. So you can read all of your details here. So let's see what interface we get on the band. So let me have a focus. So at first you get the time and the date. Once you swipe down, you can see the steps. Swiping more will get you to heart rate sensor. Now you can just press and hold this button, and it will start taking your heart rate throughout this sensor, as you guys can see. So what I will do is, let me wear this band and see if it reads the heart rate. So steps, heart rate, and just press and hold, and as you guys can see, it is reading my heart rate. So once you have done that, you can also swipe down to see the weather. So you can see the weather, which is really cool. So as you guys can see, you can see 3 days weather. So tomorrow, today, Monday. So, and you can just press this button to go back. Again, the same thing, swipe up, and you can also see notification. And if you go here, you can see the stopwatch. So you can press and hold to start the stopwatch, and you can just press and pause this by pressing that button. And you can also press reset it by holding it, and it will silent your phone. This feature will silent your phone. So let's see what else we get. Find device. Let's see how this works. So it's ringing my phone. My phone is currently silent, so you can't hear that. So that's a really cool feature that they added. And alarm off. So you can also change the faces. You can select bunch of faces from here, as you guys can see. So it's a really cool feature. So yeah guys, this was basically the quick impression and the unboxing of the Mi Band 3. Also make sure to subscribe to our channel because I will be posting the review as well as the tips and tricks and the water test. So I will be submerging the Mi Band 3 in water for 30 minutes. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace out.